Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's tutorial is applicable to the GMC Sierras and Chevrolet Silverado 2500 and 3500 HD. Somebody asked a question, where do you plug in the block heater on these trucks? It's right down here. Pretty easy to find, but also maybe pretty easy to overlook. So there's where you're going to plug in, and this is what you're looking for. Your truck will come with this cable. It may be hidden back here in one of these seat pockets. It might be inside of one of the storage areas right here. It might be underneath the seat cushions, but this is what you're ultimately looking for. Now this will be the area that you plug in to the truck itself, the connection I just showed you, and obviously this is what you're going to plug into your extension cord. But one thing to note about that's very helpful, make sure that you know how long you need to plug in depending on how cool it is outside. I'll leave some details down in a pinned comment to help you out with that. And you can actually use a timer, something you'd use for Christmas lights or whatever the case is, so that it doesn't stay on longer than it absolutely needs to. It'll save you a little bit of money on electricity. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please share it and hit the like button. That's very helpful to me. Make sure to subscribe. And if you want to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.